Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering the device and ensuring basic prerequisites are met. Plug in the charger so you don't interrupt the process, and keep Wi-Fi credentials handy to connect during setup. If the system won't boot normally, have a Chrome OS recovery USB ready. Press and hold the power button until the device starts. Watch for the manufacturer logo. Once the hardware is live, the firmware will attempt to load Chrome OS. Make sure any USB drives you want to boot from are already inserted. Once the OS loader finishes, you'll land on the welcome screen. Connect to Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet so the system can fetch updates and policies. Sign in with your Google account to restore bookmarks, apps, and policies. This enables seamless recovery and security. Follow the guided onboarding. Accept terms, configure privacy and accessibility options, and choose enrollment if this is a managed device. Make sure to allow system updates. Chrome OS updates often include firmware fixes, and after setup, let the system finish any post-install updates and perform a restart to ensure all components initialize correctly. This final reboot completes driver installations and firmware updates. If the device fails to boot, power it off and enter recovery mode, typically by pressing ESC plus refresh plus power, and use your recovery USB to reinstall Chrome OS. If recovery doesn't help, check hardware, reset or test the storage and disconnect peripherals. One key troubleshooting tip: a recovery reinstall fixes most software boot issues, so create and keep a recovery USB.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.